Okay, FM 101.7.
Simekodi nkomo bi mewi anama samba na yato so yenya Owura Mensa Thompson wo executive secretary Emma Asefa ewa akoma no so a ye ne no ebekasa wopani memuache eba ade ache bi adwumadi so
yo meni aba mejo so
yo mo de krata bi aba bontina krata no wa na wo kyerɛoye from Supreme Court and a 7-member panel wo mugina ya wo musi ye fa interrogatory case ana NDC Mr. Mo Omampani Dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama lawyer for na wo mo epese mo kwan mo busa ama court na ka se sanse mmisa ni nyina no akwanya be wo ho ama wo mo aye na watro krata bia ba emise wo hwemu kenkan kosi a ase anya wo de efise wo de atoto 2013 ede no ho na obi bebusa se 2013 no na Ghana case bi se na nsida enti ebra ye de eka asem na ye bre tenten pa ba Supreme Court fo ahye bo se asem bi sa ba wo mo behwe no wo mo de ebra etia sensa adi wonyi ni se enu nti na aka ho ama ade a wo beye no tenten mu no wo beye besen pie wo mu nti no ye ka se ene ye mfa nto so ne ye mfa nye bata se ho no anya wo de asem yi wuya no se
yo me aba that's it mamen che what you for and anopay yes yene court no enya adwene on their decision to dismiss the interrogatories mini ba ohwe interrogatories are simply questions one party in a trial ebisa and I say or listed at the other party say unya no inti yenra the counsel for the petitioner are lawyers for Owura John Mahama is seeking leave of the court to serve interrogatories 12 interrogatories on the EC not just some person will be EC no question maku dumi you know be na electoral commission year no na the basis for seeking this leave in 2013 emra yeto aba and also Assembly P Supreme Court then petitioner candidate Akufo-Addo or then Assembly Court down Supreme Court we you know and also seeking leave of the court and I say or file a motion to seek leave of the court to serve interrogatories. Sabreno, all the 9 justices of the Supreme Court unanimously, in a judgment read on their behalf by Justice Badigbe JSC, granted sa interrogatories. No? It is a bit surprising, sir. The same Supreme Court, chaired by Justice Enin Yeboah, who was originally part of the 9-member panel in 2013, granted motion to seek to serve interrogatories, and also granted 2013 interrogatories. Justice Enin Yeboah, Chief Justice in our presiding case, he was part of the panel of Mogante, your friend is saying, interrogatories in 2013 to the then candidate Akufo-Addo. And so, I'm saying, there's a sharp deviation. You see, none of the judges, 7-member panel on this case dissented. It's a sharp deviation from the ruling of the Supreme Court in 2013. I think, you know, we deserve some more explanations on why the Supreme Court has sharply, you know, departed from their own processes and procedure. But you see, I think that the argument a lot of people are making about time do not suffice here. The reason the court dismissed the interrogatories and they say, court they say, questions now counsel for the petitioners no ebisa no episode bisa ne say no during cross examination to me ebusa questions no they will have time to sufficiently ask those questions Enti who here say they will grant the motion of interrogatories. Meboa. Say it is sad there. The argument of time does not come in here. Because center 2 hours and a counsel for the petitioners able issue every exhausted this interrogatories are. During the period of cross-examination, they are going to use the same 2 hours. They are going to spend the same 2 hours on these 12 questions. In time now, a man for suggested say, "Ebe we still court in the time no." It is neither here nor there because someone now here. And the nature of the question is such that it is only one person, which is the chairperson of the first respondent, that is the Electoral Commission. And the betty may in some nano. And she said, when you some nano and there, or China obeyano, and the same time our petitioners no ever spend it to interrogate these 12 questions, no. It is the same time that during cross examination they will spend to interrogate. And if you get away with time now, you will spend the time later during the trial. At the end of the day, say you're 20 days now, person spend on the case, and you still spend the same number of days on the case. So the argument of time does not even come in.
But Owen Thompson said, "Michelle statement in Mukrana. What can we say 2013? No, yema petitioner no kwine. Emma, 1 year interrogatory na. But in the course of the judgment, and so yes, I be the same thing. And I be 2013, ye the 8 months." And na samba ko yedidi Supreme Court atna se nya ideas bebre won yakoya nim ewia se BBC a president wo hye na wasua bibia ku next time no na watimi aye faster etoma hu se bia first one no ye busai in the course of the trial no yes aba asem kro na so a adan na ne ye mfa nko se de wo ankasa wo kra wo kan na eduru ho ane aye ne prekonsen se ye bema ho kwa manipa na ye eduru trial no so a na yasa be the same thing na se ye nyini ewo anase ye nsua de ewo de esi 2013 no obi kan sa asem ya one na nya adwene
many aba sir interrogatories na court na dismiss no they don't waste court in the time even more than if they have allowed it. It will rather waste the court more time. What is the purpose of interrogatories? The purpose of interrogatories is to streamline the case. Yes, Masemna media beda in court no. Ma share some no nyina nsem fuadum bi no. Ena media ba say first respondent ni ya no. Oyi ano a who here says ansem na mesade about during cross examination. And no problem and say be anka cross examination no. Anka me de ba ha court na adwene aba be delay court time. Me mfa because we can hear no during the interrogatories. That is the purpose of interrogatories, to expedite trials. What
and today some more patches so try ben one no
13 pona court no allow interrogatories no. Look at the number of days we spent on cross examination. What they share 2013 court no allow interrogatories and no court no allow me be questions no. Look at the number of time, the number of hours and days the court spent on cross examination. Now 2020 court now makwan ama anya interrogatories cry. That means that all these burden of questions will be carried over to court examination, and it is going to increase the length of time the parties are going to spend on court examination. This is even further going to waste the court more time. Court na makwan my Electoral Commission no yasem na no a and kaben narrow case you know the scope of the case will be narrowed for the judges, for the court, for the parties. Into a lot of the tasks a case will be eliminated. So what you say, nanka a Sony case neso nanka abeka the substance, the core relevant aspect of the case. And no man can call to know right from the beginning, and that is what the petitioners sought to do. Say, on that narrow case, now my court to know, said court in coming to a fair decision on this matter. But of course, said interrogatories are discretionary. Your friend is saying procedures are the court can grant or the court can dismiss. But we don't want people to make that argument say, and it was going to waste the court's time. The dismissal is rather going to waste the court's time. I say so. It is going to increase the length of time the parties are going to spend on cross-examination. At the end of the day, we haven't reduced the length of time we are going to spend on the case. We have rather increased it because this is going to drag the case. This is going to, sir, in Simfua Duminuna, counsel for the petitioners, Ebo Bosona, Yaman, Kwayam, and Bisano. What are you? Oh no, did he say the questions are relevant to his case? During cross-examination, he will make sure that he will use the period of cross-examination to exhaust all these 12 questions and send our calling on the stay here only in the cross-examination. And
you say, open you, or Tom, so be back as any see why. Every say, Mammy Jane Mensa, your first respondent in a swaba. Now obey you way and no substantive case in so dawa, or best sign up a beam. I'm a cross-examination aba. And no more ain't wasted time since I was ba prekun. Obi a wo question bia busa during cross examination sa interrogatory questions ni nyina no wo mo ebetimi abusa na yesa de wo kan de second one no said the Jinaya Supreme Court to see nenra no eno mom ebe shorten time na sen de see 2013 no
me aba so try wo o dia na wa genentem questions now mo busa no chairperson of the first respondent in Kwani bitimi ya no ade na ye mani ya no because questions need be wo hwa more counsel for the first respondent lawyers for the EC I argue say questions any important, they are not relevant to the case. Not just say it is possible say questions relevant to the case. But petition analyst several questions no. Now court and decide they say we are relevant. So let's focus on this case. So I say na narrow case will be follow case and say this is the crux of the case and this is all the arguments where all the arguments are pointing to. What I say. So but say we say woman acquire money say no also what the meaning to her because so this is relevant to his case. To join cross examination, even if question and not relevant to cry, you will bring it up to waste the cost time. What I say, and that is why the court should have helped all of us by granting these interrogatories, allowing the petitioners to ask these 12 questions, allow the first respondent to respond to these 12 questions. Then court in their wisdom say based on the questions and the response that will come, like I said, okay, this is relevant to the case. This is not relevant to the case. I feel parties, and this is also important for the pre-trial hearing. I feel parties going forward. This is how the case is going to go. This is the procedures you have to follow, so that we can expedite this trial. What I say, but based on any decision now, court reaching, I very much doubt if the court can adjudicate this case in 42 days. I very much doubt.
Okay. Na mama san emusa bibi onim se eno court in Supreme Court kwa asese o mama yehun se enne na yenim se asem court ade wo pepa no unyina so pa wo pepa no se wo issues no wo bo no tofa say we enne na afa no nyina obia di true petitioners no mo de wo de no baba beto ho say Supreme Court kura kan no kura ne ma lawyer chachuchi kataka senka ye mo ya wada na nka wo mo fa wo mo asem ne pono emra na court nsi da bi asem de wo ba court wonim de wo ba beye enti we no kura nkyere wo say petitioners na asem na mo de kono ne tofa mu no kura ensi po enti sa wo ma ho kwan say ye me question wo bia ebia na de ebesi ho po na nya relevant e de masa asem ne mum
enya ba petitioners na asem no that put court in okay the statement of case and summary of your friend saying fact or the abba. Almost saying the 9th December 2020 declarations now the chairperson of the of the first respondent, that declaration was flawed. And that the second respondent did not get the legally required percentage of votes, which is 50% plus 1, to be declared as winner of the elections by the first respondent. Oma said, and Oma said, Oma listed 12 questions. Oma did say, it is important to this case, among issue of my reason. For example, Oma Bisa in the interrogatory says, a crime based on a first respondent, so transmitted results from the constituency coalition centers to the regional coalition centers, and from the regional coalition centers to the national coalition center, which is the headquarters of the first respondent. We a very simple and relevant question, because if I'm challenging the results of an election, I may want to know how the results was transmitted. A conventional results no further can answer. What kind of more questions 7, 8, and 9 so they are asking the chairperson of the respondents to answer how she got when. They come say when. Say 9th December declaration now make in from so. Emrebe no hu ye. A quite bang of fast who say in from so. Open them from so no again or ye. Now all amended and also all to an amount to amend the errors no. On the presidential candidates and agents excellence journey home. And what we to Muse and Pa and from Swaba, the quite say the efforts are correcting indeed I am correcting. These are very simple questions that only the chairperson of the electoral commission is in a year. Oh yeah, no. Based on the response of the year, no. Another Brahma petitioners and narrow down one case and say, okay, what's me a year, no. Oh, I see all the for A, B, C, D, so and all the transmitted results, no. It's okay, and yeah, who here say we, yeah, they kind of case, no. You we free mo. Now, and narrow your case, no, down for the court. So they be a court, maybe to decide the appointment center. And that is why, in my layman opinion, I think that some of the questions they asked was very relevant. For example, we shall question be about the role the National Communication Authority play in the transmission of results. Yeah, the National Communication Authority won't play any role and as almost facilitating the transmission of results. It's a very relevant question because the executive director of the National Communication Authority is a political appointee loyal to the second respondent. Is a political appointee who holds allegiance to the second respondent of this case. So clearly, if they play any role, to what extent did their involvement in the facilitation of the transmission of results affect the outcome of the results? I think that the party wants to know. So, if some of these questions and court no guarantee interrogatories no, and that they were sufficiently answered that, and the Brahma petitioners no, court case in some people and the court no put then they narrow down their case to assemble back to them. Okay, any day ask them no. Into court no see very simple.
And to Tom said, "You can dear now. Yam my infony bit is said, dear petitioners, not some no more dear court, no one named your woman pebisa. Every say woman named the Omo pedia, Senka, we becca say, and you win never bet said, dear one cassa will pay, and I said, your opposite court no a yama for you know which am I and his Anna as a patch do.
But Debbie, you see, when your court procedures, what you say, and yes, sir. Senka court no, and court processes no, and interrogatories will not be passed. You know, requests for further and better particulars will not be passed. Requests for information will not be passed. Sometimes I say, Oma file request to inspect, documents of the Electoral Commission. They are all part of the procedures because who was them no, but the court will not take over step now with the abano because I have family and son the court. Who petitioner no who can ask them. Respondent and so first respondent and so I can ask them. Second respondent and so can ask them. At the end of the day, there was a central point which is the fact. And then a court will seek to establish what is fact. And fact, you don't have the petitioner's fact and then the respondent's fact. You have one true fact which the court would want to establish. Into all the parties' actions is to help the court establish the fact of the matter and make a fair adjudication of the matter. And these are processes which the petitioners want to use to help the court establish the true fact of the matter and make a fair determination of the matter. So it is not about only one. These are court procedures and they are part of court rules which all lawyers and all parties use when they go to court.
Ora Thompson, the Medi area crown, Yakaisa 2013, 2012 election petition. No, Supreme Court may who say elections are won at the polling station. And the political party be a dear here war, a pink sheet, a ubenya, a polling station, and no never your evidence, amawa, what they ever con, a baby, if said the moment, ube jeja, a polling station. Now I'm a polling agent. I'm famre one who say, when ye. Eti electoral commission kura ke candidate see ni a won so wo authentic pin sheet e wo ho e a pin sheet no ye de bi bo ho pin sheet no ye photocopy e ma obi anya bi ansa na electoral commission no kura benya ne de no na mo party agent na mo wo ho no wo bi akuta ne de enti obi ampo betimi aye ne de ampo ansa na impo is ni impo etimi declare results sa wo gide se ye political parties no wo mo ye sa de we ya that should be let election petition be ebeba.
You see, I think that the fact to say elections are won at the polling station cannot be a basis for anybody to perpetuate their friend saying fraud and think say court now say elections are won at the polling stations. It is a party way and vigilant. I can perpetuate fraud or criminality and I'll go scot free. That is not the decision of the court, and that is not the intention of the court. What the court sought was to let the parties understand, say, vigilance at the polling stations are very key because results now electoral commission be declaring their source is at the polling station. It's from the polling station. So the polling station results are the source document. But unfortunately, in this instant case, results from the polling station are not under contention here. In Tubesha, the issues are not about the original pin sheets from the polling station. The issues are about collation of results from the constituency collation centers to the regional collation centers. That is the issues under contention here. The issues under contention here is not about polling station results, but how the polling station results were collated at the constituency level and at the regional level. Those are the issues under contention here. Because at the end of the day, you may be vigilant at the polling station, you may get all your pin sheets. Somebody is going to sit at the constituency collation center to put all these polling station results, sometimes about 90, sometimes about 150 different sets of results, sometimes about 200 sets of results together. During that process, a lot of things can happen. And those are the facts that the petitioners seek to establish. Say, indeed, based on the results that they have, they believe that, based on the results that they have from the various polling stations, which means that the petitioners were vigilant and they had the results of the polling stations, but they believe that the results that came to the national level, which was declared by the first response, the chairperson of the first respondent, do not reflect the results or the aggregate results that was declared at the polling station. So these are two different issues. In 2013, the issues were about discrepancies of the results from the polling stations, also about the pink sheets, the discrepancies on the pink sheets, and missing polling stations, and then illegitimate polling stations and what have you. So in 2013, the petitioners were seeking the court to annul results because they believed they were forced with fraud from the polling stations. They were seeking the court to annul results And they felt to say if those illegal, polling stations votes were annulled, they could win the election, and so it could tell the elections in their favor. That was the petitioner's case. This time round, petitioners now say polling station results are correct, almost two, but polling station results now agents can almost the bread almost coming in bomber. Different from the final results now is in declare, all they are seeking the court to do is to recollate the that polling station results in an view. Now, the exact vote now, the chairperson of the first respondent, he declared on the 9th of December. These are two different issues.
Okay, but what Thompson say when him say, a do constituency where a honso political party needs to agent to ho. Ye collective we are almost sign. We are not saba regional level so omo be se beti sa Ashanti region say regional level empanifo na wo room ho eye NDC empanifo akese pa former attorney general na wono wo ho omo de wo nsa ehya ase enti ansa na eba national level no eti yemfa ne se party no beka se bia regional na bia de free Ashanti region ba ye no ye ne nye ho wo bra bia empanifo kukudam aya omugina party na na mudi wo nsa ehya ase a eno enye issue bi esese ye hwe ho no nso ye
the argument of the counsel for the first respondent, electoral commission, lawyer Justin Amenuva. One of the crucial issues raised here and say one, at every level, when any agent of any candidate failed to sign the declaration, the process moves on. The process moves on. And once South African results now boom at the Constituency Coalition Center, whether your agent decides to sign it or not, the process will move on. It will share the declaration forms from the various Constituency Coalition Centers, agency, even from the NPP. At the regional level, any agency will be signed, even from the NPP. At the national level, the NPP did not sign about 2 or 3 regions. NDC did not sign about 3 or 4 regions. Clearly, that tells you, say, the coalition, the various coalitions are not foolproof. There could be problems with it. And what the petitioners are asking the court to do is that because the process are not foolproof, in the interest of transparency, in the presence of everybody, we are recollating in our view. Whoever emerges as the winner is the winner. Whoever is not loses is it. But we believe, say, the second respondent did not get the legally required 50% plus 1 vote to warrant the first respondent declaring him as winner. I think that the issue here are pretty much simpler. It's very, very much simpler. I think that the court wouldn't have problem deciding on it at all.
Me pacho mati we de said ye Owura Thompson waka no yenhwe ni mu said e woka no enye den emma court no na yenhwe gina ya court no nso ebesie bra asem no ene wo mo san etena so ye dance pa adusu a wo de ama ya no payi
so be that much
jo Owura Mensa Thompson wono na eye executive secretary e de emma asepa wo mo eye civil society organizations ni bi think tank for ibi na ono so akye na dwene de afa ho nti yekotie nkrato kakra ye ba edwaso nkomo e wo ha osofo ohene na Kwame Amo man of God ono so wa ha ye tie for mo messages awodo amodi afa social media platforms no so making kind dodo no amamo ade achie bi adwumadie na mo tie wo okay 101.7 FM so nia ba kosi agwabo age akosi nhira na metise mama Kwame Nkrumah kesi a ewi age.
Okay FM 101.7